ZEats. And look at this, olives.
Oh, you love olives, huh?
Yeah.
Where are you?
Oh, we're in Jacksonville,
Florida.
Florida. We're eating Persian food right now.
Okay, so tell us about Persian food a little bit. What are these? So we got kebabs coming. So can you explain to everyone what a kebab really is?
It's something that's like has meat in it.
Okay, it's got meat.
Inside it. It's soft. You could add like tomatoes, basil, lettuce in it.
Okay, but so the kebabs we're gonna have today, what's it gonna be like? I think we talked about this. There's gonna be like almost like a hamburger kind of like thing. So ground beef kebabs, which you can get in many different Persian and Arabic restaurants, are actually very tasty. It's almost like a little hamburger that looks like a kebab. Can we hold on the olives, there, buddy? I know you love olives. All right,
Okay, I'm gonna say some. Oh, these are our foods here. So we got some foods ready.
Oh, what is that?
Hummus with olives on top.
Hummus. Okay, so what is hummus? It's kind of like a dip. It's almost like a dip. It's like a dip, right?
It's like a seasoning. And this is spinach or something.
That's mint. That's mint.
This is
onions. Well, that's fine. That's all good. That's all some extra stuff. Oh, but look at this. Oh my God, the yummy bread.
Yeah.
You want to show them how to eat hummus? Let's go ahead and dip some bread in the hummus. Is it Z?
Anything that agrees to this, we'll do it, okay?
Okay, awesome.
If you subscribe to my YouTube channel, if I get 100 more subscribers, I may sell merch. We are at a Persian place. We are going to eat kebabs, olives, kebabs,
Hummus.
spaghetti,
Hummus.
salad, bagel, onion, cheese,
Peanut bread.
peanut bread, and chocolate candy. Here now, the kebab has come. So the kebab is like a hamburger with meat inside.
But it tastes better.
Yeah. So this is kebab.
This is a ground beef kebab, right?
Yeah.
It's called kubi day.
Yeah. This is chicken that has a little bit of sauce on it.
Okay.
This is steak.
Oh, nice. It's called barb, actually.
Barb that has
And this is
sauce
called
on
juja.
it.
It's
This?
in Persian. Yeah, it's called juja.
And this is fried tomato.
Okay. Grilled, actually. But okay. You win, though.
Fried is the same thing as grilled, mister.
Okay, we'll leave it at that. Awesome.
What do you want on your plate?
Go ahead and try one of the ground beef kebabs.
Okay, lady.
Hey, be nice.
Now let's move on to stage 2. The chicken stage.
The chicken's good?
Mmm.
Okay, now what about the steak?
It doesn't actually have any sauce on it. The yellowness makes it look like.
But apparently it's good because you keep having it over and over again, which is great. But what about your steak? Where's your steak? Let's give it a try. Try the steak now. Oh, when
Daddy,
you're done.
which one? This one or this
Yep,
one?
the left one. That one. Yep. And?
That tastes exactly like steak.
Good stuff?
I'm the steak man.
All right. Awesome. Hey,
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And remember, if you want to go. And remember, always try everything at least once.
awesome. Thank you so much.
Peace.